demand that you be home before dark every day. I, my daughter, do not hate you, dear. I am merely trying to protect you from the jaws of the drooling hyenas that love to feast in the dark. From the panting leopards lurking in the dark, stalking you like ghosts almost ready to leap at you. I'm merely trying to protect you, dear, from the hungry lions silently eyeing you, smacking their lips, ready to pounce.
Nyathi ibuzo kwamaphambili isala kutshelwa sibona ngumopho omntanami omamela.
When I say be home before dark every day, I am trying to protect you from the jittery and jumpy monkeys leaping from tree to tree and from branch to branch with no particular base.
Remember, my daughter, women are powerful too. They have the power to say no wherever they roam and go. No is the most powerful word, the roar in the jungle. Learn it well. Women have the right of respect, to be listened to be protected. Women are tigers, beautiful and powerful. But even tigers tread carefully, with cushioned feet. Listen to their whiskers, if not their fathers. Be brave but careful and wise.
Daughter, take heed, darkness has no eyes.
I'm trying to protect you from the killing hyenas. I'm trying to protect you from the jumpy monkeys, from the panting leopards.
I am merely doing what fathers should do. It is my duty to protect you from the relentless black mambas that hate to miss a target as they slide and glide in the dark.
I am merely trying to protect you from the jungle out there. You may not see on our streets, in our villages, virtual and real, so you know what you want, so you know to say yes or no. I am merely trying to protect you from the jittery and jumpy monkeys of no fixed abode, leaping from tree to tree and from branch to branch, that confuse your power to decide. They all want to win your heart. Remember, there are many different animals, and you only have one heart. I am merely trying to protect you, dear, from hungry lions silently eyeing you, smacking their lips, ready to pounce on you. If you do not learn to roar yes or no.